Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Volvo XC60 tail light, only way. Begin by opening the hatch and locating the access panel behind the tail light assembly. Remove fasteners and unplug the wiring harness carefully to avoid snapping clips or denting paint. Keep bulbs and screws organized in labeled containers. Work patiently and test fit before final torque to ensure proper alignment and seal. Gather a Torx bit set, ratchet, trim tool, and a soft cloth before you start. Organization saves time and prevents lost parts. Remove interior trim fasteners to expose the tail light bolts, then unbolt the assembly and gently pull it out a few inches to access the wiring connector. Release the connector tab and fully extract the light, inspecting gaskets and bulbs for wear as you go. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear audio, timers, and hands-free instructions while you work. It's great for playlists and voice prompts when your hands are greasy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start with the hatch open and the vehicle parked on level ground with the parking brake set to stay safe. Remove plastic trim to reveal the bolts, then use the Torx bit to loosen them evenly. Pull the light out gently, unclip the wiring harness, and check the gasket. Replace any brittle seals. Keep bulbs and screws together, then reverse steps to reinstall with even torque and alignment checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.